What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV Hotels coming to you from the Conrad in Shanghai, located here on Nanjing Road. So the Conrad Shanghai, you'd imagine. Must be a beautiful hotel, right? Well, I stayed at the JW Marriott just down the road. I'd say this one's in a little bit better position because of the proximity to Nanjing. I mean, it's literally right there. So this is just the concierge level, the ground level. Over here to the elevator, and you go up to the lobby. So let's go do that. Okay, and here we are at the lobby level of the Conrad. Check in over here. There you go. I'll show you around also. Real quick. Alright, so I'm just going to show you over here real quick. Yeah. Got this lobby ballroom meeting rooms over here. Restaurant. I'm actually on the 53rd floor, so that's going to be interesting, but you see they got a nice summer lounge here. Look at that. It's like a atrium kind of setting. Very nice. But yeah, we're going to the 53rd floor, guys. 53rd. Amazing. All right, here we are at level 10. This is actually where the gym is. Gym? Okay, so I just want to share my thoughts on this. In this hotel, you have to go from your room down to the lobby through a maze to get here, which I find to be a bit inconvenient. Reason is because I don't want to walk through the lobby in my gym clothes or my swimming trunks. But yeah, it's still nice. So here's the gym. They've done this in a few of the luxury hotels here in Shanghai, actually, where you actually have to kind of like transit to get to the gym or the pool. It's not that big of a deal, but I like those hotels where it's just kind of right there. You know, you go out your room, take the lobby, or take the elevator, and then you're there. This one you have to take a couple elevators and then go upstairs. But let's show you the pool real quick. Oh, there's the pool. Also got a hot tub. That's very nice. Yeah, it's a nice pool. If it was a little bit more convenient, I'd give it a much higher rating. All right, a look at the room here. We've got a robe, iron, some coat hangers, of course. An umbrella, my suitcase right there. Got a scale. Here's the bathroom. Got a little tub over here. Deep soaking tub. And there's another robe. Robe number 2. Is this? Does it have a bidet? It does have a bidet. People are always asking about that. It's like the new big question that everyone wants to know. All right. What do we got here? 4 waters. Wow. Let's see here. Where's the... Okay. Gidunk, as they call it. What do we got in here? Yep. All the drinks you could possibly want. Let me see if I can get up close. Yep. There you go, guys. All right. Coffee maker. People like to ask about that. Got a nice desk. Wow, I like that desk. Really nice desk. Let's see the view here. 53rd floor. Well, it's one of those Beijing kind of days. I'll see if I can get a better view tomorrow. I don't know, but fog is setting in hardcore. Can't even see much out there. There you go. Any other questions? All right, now let me give you my final review of the Conrad. Great location, beautiful hotel. It is getting older, as you can tell, with many of the luxury hotels in Shanghai.
I don't know how old they are, but keep in mind, Shanghai is an old city. It's a legacy city. It's been around for a long time. So a lot of these properties, as time goes by, they do get older, whereas some of the newer cities in China have, more modern new hotels. Like Shenzhen's going to have more modern hotels. You'll see this across Asia and other parts of the world. But legacy cities, whether it be Istanbul or Paris or Shanghai, they're just going to have older properties. We saw this with the JW in Shanghai, saw this with the Conrad, but that location is fantastic. You're not going to find a better location. The thing that I don't like about the hotel is that in order to get to the gym or whatever, you have to go through the lobby. And again, that's part of the designs. It's not that I don't like it, it's just I don't really want to walk through a lobby where, it's like people in suits while I'm in gym clothes or going to the sauna, flip flops, It's like, what are you going to wear to the gym? You're not going to wear like, nice business attire, and you got to walk through the lobby. It's not a big walk through the lobby, but I like those hotels where you just kind of go up. You just take the elevator and you're in the gym area. You don't have to go through the lobby and wear gym clothes and feel, all weird about that. It's not that big of a deal, but for me, I'd rather it just be more of a direct shot elevator. I've seen this in some other hotels in China where it's just straight to the lounge or to the gym. The lounge was also very good. Staff was friendly. Views were awesome. I mean, the location is just amazing. There's one thing that about the room, it did have a little bit of a smell. That smell goes away when you turn on the aircon. I don't know. It's one of those things where you got to close like the drain. It's not a bad smell. Once, like I said, once you turn on the AC, it goes away. But if you for whatever reason, turn off the AC because it's too cold or you just don't want it on, you might smell it. It happens in most older hotels anyway. Other than that, I mean, everything was great. The bed was comfortable. The room was good. The internet was fast. The lounge was great. The staff was friendly. It's a beautiful hotel, great location. I stayed at the JW. I'll also put a link to that at the end. Been going all around China. I'm in Hangzhou now. Try and get you some Nanjing, see what else is out there. See you guys on the next one from China.